Understanding Going Away Bash, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and commonly used phrase in English, going away bash. This phrase has a unique cultural significance and is often used in various social contexts. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Going away bash refers to a party or celebration thrown in honor of someone who is leaving or moving away. The word, going away, indicates that the person is leaving a place, while bash is a slang term for a lively, large party. This phrase is often used when someone is leaving a job, moving to another city, or embarking on a long journey. In many English-speaking countries, it's a common tradition to organize a going-away bash for friends, family members, or colleagues. This event serves as a way to say goodbye, celebrate the time spent together, and wish the person good luck in their new endeavor. It's a gesture of goodwill and shows the importance of the person in the lives of those organizing the bash. Let's see how you can use this phrase in everyday conversations. 1. We are throwing a going-away bash for Jenna since she's moving to New York next month. 2. Did you get the invitation to Mark's going-away bash? He's leaving the company after 10 years. 3. I can't believe you're moving. We definitely need to organize a big going-away bash for you. While going-away bash is quite popular, there are other variations you might hear. For example, farewell party, send-off party, or simply, goodbye party. All these phrases carry the same sentiment of celebrating and bidding farewell to someone who is departing. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, going away bash, and how you can use it in your conversations. Remember, it's not just about learning a new phrase, it's about understanding the culture and emotions behind it. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the beautiful nuances of the English language.